I'm sure those lights are getting lower. How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. I've got a banger for you, a good midweek meal, quick midweek meal. You can probably bang this out in 20-25 minutes tops. Tuscan chicken. But it's about as Tuscan as my Uncle Ernie from Doncaster, but it is delicious. But if you like chicken and creamy sauces, this one is for you. I think I had this at Olive Garden back in the day when it were good. They had a good menu with some pretty good dishes. Some weren't good, but some were good. And I had this with pasta, Tuscan chicken with pasta. And I went back one time and they got rid of all the dishes and they limited it to 6 dishes on the menu. And I thought, nah, I'm not going back. So I ain't been back since, but I thought I'd just make some nice Tuscan chicken. It's really good with pasta, good with mashed potatoes. You can have this with roast potatoes. You can have this with lots of stuff. So can't wait to show you. I'm gonna bang it out, 20-25 minutes, and hope you can make it midweek meal, quick, easy, great for the family. Let's crack on. First, grab a blender, add sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and blitz until it's all broken down. By doing this, it'll make the sauce more flavorful. And then just put to one side. Next, add olive oil to a pan. Season chicken breast with salt and add to the pan. Sear the chicken until golden brown. Should take around about 4 minutes on a medium heat. Take out the chicken and put to one side. Next, dice some onion and add to the same pan. No need to add extra oil. Followed by the sun-dried tomatoes and garlic. On a medium heat, cook until soft. Also optional, I threw in some fresh oregano, just to liven it up a little. I use fresh oregano or oregano. I'm actually confused to what to call it. I use fresh, but if you can't find fresh, use Italian seasoning, just as good. When soft, add spinach. It should wilt pretty fast. I removed the woody oregano. If you didn't add any, don't worry about it. Next, transfer the chicken back to the pan. Followed by oregano leaves and heavy cream. Give it a little stir, bring the cream up to a boil, then simmer for about 5 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked. Your chicken breast might be thicker or thinner than mine. If you're not sure where you're at, just use a thermometer. 165, easy. At the end, add parmesan. Go for it, add as much as you like. And lemon zest. Season with salt and pepper, give a good stir, and serve. Amazing with pasta, mashed potatoes, my favourite, or rice, or some good old veg. Easy. And that's it. How easy was that? Not much ingredients, pretty easy to make. It really is easy, and it's so good. It really is. That sauce is so good, especially with chicken. You can make this with beef. Fantastic with beef as well. So yeah, them sun-dried tomatoes just work. They just make that sauce. Sun-dried tomatoes and cream, heaven. It's a great dish. I love it with pasta, and I also love it with mashed potatoes as well. Fantastic. So yeah, give it a go. Give it a go. I hope you give it a go and see what you think. So yeah, share, like, do your thing, and I will be back next week for another recipe. Thanks, guys.